Okay, so I took it for a ride the day before yesterday, and I just wasn't impressed at all. I mean, it was swift. It burns rubber like a nut, but I wasn't impressed on the speed. Quarter mile time, that is. So I decided, I took all that time to build this, put the engine in, bam. So intake manifold, fuel injectors are missing. I ordered the intake manifold carbureted style with a brand new carburetor, brand new manifold, brand new distributor. When I took the manifold off, to my surprise, to my enjoyment, I found a real roller engine with the real roller Vortec heads. But these Vortec heads only flow with so much. So I ordered a set of aluminum 210 volume cc's and 64 cc chamber, which will bring my compression up to about 10 to 1, 9.5 to 1, something like that. And roller cam with a 500 lift. So now we got a 500 lift cam, some high compression heads, a new HEI distributor, brand spanking new, brand new wires, brand new carburetor, brand new intake. Oh, by the way, it's an air gap intake, dual plane intake, and 600 CFM on the. It's an Elderbrock. I didn't want a Harley. I deal with all kinds of carburetors, so I'm not scared of that. And I got it this far down. This was yesterday. I broke it down. Today I came out. It's kind of chilly. Tomorrow's supposed to be even colder. But I'll get back to you when I remove them heads. I got to remove everything here. Radiator, or the whole front, just to get the heads off. And the cam out. Alright. More updates coming. Just so in case you can't see. Yep, they're roller rockers. I am very happy. I was very surprised and very enlightened about it. I was very happy to see that, and that's why I went with the cam.